I guess I have time for like a couple more. Yeah. So, y'all get my name?
It's right there.
All right, you got my name. I'm not a Hare Krishna. My husband is Indian, and I thought the name was just so like divine. So I took it. I got nothing but time, nothing but time and space. Say I, when it seems there isn't enough, but it's not a thing, it's not anything, it's nothing, it's everything you are. And if time were a train, I'd ask it to race. It beat me time again. It leaves my loved ones behind in places I can't find them. Where's it sail fast? Engine runs thin. Let me take it back. I got nothing but time, nothing but time and space. Say I, when it seems there isn't enough, but it's not a thing, it's not anything, it's nothing, it's everything you are. There's more living when I slow it down. When I speed it up, I lose time. But it's not a thing I have, it's a thing I ride. It's a thing I shake when I take flight. All memory, all imagination, all the moment, all in one. All memory, all imagination, all the moment, all in one. Tomorrow's my birthday, yesterday's the day I died. It's always all the time. It's always all the time. It's not a thing, it's not anything, it's nothing, it's everything you are. Okay, this is gonna be my last one. That's unreleased. You're getting the inside scoop. I have officially like 4 or 5 t-shirts left. I'm on tour. And I brought 10. And I've sold 6.
Really good t-shirts.
And she was one of the lucky winners. So they're over there on the bar, and there they are. And I was selling it for $25 US. So, but for you lucky euros, people people from the UK are like, we're out. Then we'll do 20. Okay. But anyway, there's also like a mailing list. That's a good way to stay in touch. I'm always making albums and putting them out. And I'll probably be doing it until I die. So come along for the ride. Woo, woo. On a golden calf I gallop up and out of her sky. Hang on, I'm feeling like the mix is a little... How's it sounding out there? You can hear... When I get the pick going, it's a little bit heavier on the guitar.
I like it.
Make sure you hear these words. I like these words. On a golden calf I gallop up and out of her sky. Take a stop at Pluto for a photo shoot with Jedi. My style is custom, my rhinestones are rhodium, Vulcan-made Venus design. I'm a living rock star. Look out, I'm a big deal. I'm on top of the scene. When people talk, they talk of me. I'm a legend living. Drop my name if you want in. I define an age. And my picture's in a frame in the Hall of Fame. I received the invite, Beyonce's birthday on Mars night. Red planet, red carpet was a most in vogue of party sights. Bowie sent bubbly, heaven sent grails holy. Toasting youth, we took a drain. I'm a living rock star. Look out, I'm a big deal. I'm on top of the scene. People talk, they talk of me. I'm a legend living. Drop my name if you want in. I define an age. And my picture's in a frame. I'm a living rock star. Look out, I'm a big deal. I'm on top of the scene. When people talk, they talk of me. I'm a legend living. Drop my name if you want it. I define an age. And my picture's in a frame in the Hall of Fame. Thank y'all so much. Sign up on the email list and come say hey. Thank you, Edie and Stan and Nieuwe Anita and Morgan for telling me about it. All right, roll tide.
Roll Tide! Roll Tide?
Roll tide.